individual who shall be held responsible.
We will avoid everything.
Abundant caution, clear passage
Yes,
and the
yes.
road should be left open. Right. Sir, only apprehension what the learned Advocate General said was, on the previous occasion, there was a lot of problem, hate speech, etc. Annexure C, the policeman head broken,
That's
bleeding injuries. That should not happen.
and yes, we
But
take
I have
responsibility.
not-
Not only that. That's why in abandoned caution we said we will videograph, and that occasion.
Now, in your restriction prayer, you have said near this place or in this place or near this place. They say within 2 kilometers they are willing to offer another place. Are you willing to take?
No, that is not the same. My lord, because of that, why I say so, my lord. In specifically in para 9, in interpretation, that place only one political, that is ruling dispensation. They just hold meeting. They not give any opportunity to other political party to hold meeting. So the whole government endeavor is to not to hold meeting on that particular place, because that is the one of the most prominent place in the city. So the ruling dispensation, they just want the only ruling dispensation, they just hold the meeting from that place, no other way. And
What happened last year? Last year they say
In a different
policemen were
place.
beaten or injured. Stones were thrown at them.
No, my lord, kindly, my lord, I'll show my lord some
Malad,
of the videographs.
my lord, that my
But
lord,
I
and
kindly have
that
to look
not
at this.
happened from the meeting place.
No,
They
of course it
specifically
has.
in their report also,
Now
they
the-
specifically stated
But kindly have a look to my
after meeting. I just read their report. Their report. I am heavily relying upon their report.
Please look at the, my lord, the first one.
And that too in
There are 2, 3, 4.
they're not annexed my exception as well as their report. Annex they just handed over the
And my lord, these had all happened, my lord, after
My
the
lord-
meeting was over.
My lord, they're not annexed their report, they're not annexed the exception which I filed, and that not
Last year, which place the meeting took
My lord,
place?
in RR Avenue.
just RR Avenue and the SUCI, they just took the that avenue, RR Avenue, that place. And in their report it is stated. In their report it is
And
stated.
you are a political party?
Yes.
My lord, kindly
My lord,
see,
please
kindly
consider
see-
one
kindly
thing, what my learned friend says.
opposition
That
political.
the government only wants one political party to hold rally over there. But I do not know why this is coming.
No. Earlier also same stand was taken.
Yes.
We have rejected the stand
Right,
of the
right.
state.
Now, yes, now, my lord, I tell you,
And
But
my
we
lord,
went to
for
the
that-
extent of saying that we will ban all processions and rallies.
yes. Now, my lord, here, my lord, kindly,
Going too much, sir. Too
yes.
much.
This government.
My lord, we could have, my lord, please consider, my lord, so many, my lord, programs have coincided on one day, but it is only, my lord, the administration which is saying that please go, my lord.
My lord's order regarding BJP's rally. There's
Yes, yes.
the same thing happened because they don't want the other political party, save and except AITC, that
But-
ruling
but
party,
please,
the other opposition party not to
How
hold.
many MLAs have you got? You contested in the assembly election?
My lord, one. That one.
Yes.
No such thing.
Because they are
Except
not-
BJP, there is one.
But the problem is, sir, you can all 1,000 people can assemble. Some effective speaker comes in and he, by his words,
no,
he
no.
can incite violence.
That
No,
is
no,
what
no,
had
no.
happened last year.
If that happened, law will take own course, my lord, and that's why, my lord.
Law will take,
Yes, we take responsibility.
speaker will be prosecuted, the
Yes,
4
yes, yes.
people will be prosecuted. But what will happen to the innocent people who will get injured in that scam?
Last occasion, kindly see the report.
But
filed by
the only MLA is the
Madam,
charge sheeted accused in the last year's violence.
My lord, kindly see their report.
He is the deponent, is it?
He's the main man who's
My lord, kindly see the report filed by the state after meeting that.
yes. But
And
after
that
the
too-
meeting,
Correct.
yes.
See,
That-
after the hearing, order will be
Mana,
passed.
that too.
After the hearing, order will be passed.
Yes.
After the meeting, whatever has gone into the mind of the people, something may incite them. Yes, my leader has said this.
Yes.
No, that is not reason, my lord. What happened, my
They
lord?
had
Sir,
Millard, they had
What
Millard
happened,
gone
my
to
lord?
the nearby pawn shops,
My lord, what
took
happened?
Millard this cold drink bottles, started throwing at Millard people indiscriminately. Millard, they went and blocked Millard 3 of the main junctions over there.
My lord, kindly see
But
the
IPS
exception filed by-
officers, senior IPS officers, Millard, were
Yeah,
assaulted, battered.
On that day morning, my lord,
he
the
has-
Trinamool Congress people, they attacked on us, my lord.
They,
And thereafter, we specifically stated to the police, my lord.
Forget it. But what they say is the main person of the political party is the accused in this case.
yes.
Is it correct or?
Yes.
My lord, they made it accused, my lord, but give a single video. My lord, kindly.
If they made it accused, several remedies are available. By now, he could have filed for discharge. By now, he could have at least sought for quashing of the complaint, or could, if charge sheet has been laid, trial could have been expedited.
Well, he was in custody for 40 days and now he is on bail.
My lord, kindly give them any grounds of appeal. He made any hate speech. Kindly show one piece of.
But this is slightly bothering us because if he is an accused on bail and at his instance a writ petition is filed and a venue is chosen, and you say that nothing will happen this year, it's little difficult to believe.
My lord, kindly give me a second, my lord.
We are
On
only
that day,
concerned about you, sir, because you are not concerned about the public. We are not concerned about the police because
yes,
there are several state-sponsored rallies are going on.
yes.
So they are also not concerned about the public. But as a court, we are to take note of the interest.
Yes,
of the
yes. My lord, on the basis of the
But this is
the speech,
disturbing, no?
nothing happened, my lord. Kindly
No,
appreciate.
is it not disturbing?
In my lord,
An accused, he is on bail, and
police
he
made
moves
me
a
accused. My lord, police made me accused. My lord, give a single instant on the basis of my speech. Give a single sentence that this is the sentence of hate speech. They're not even able to show a single sentence, my lord.
that you will get an acquittal in the matter, or you may get a discharge, or you may even get it quashed.
Yes.
But as on date, does it not it appeals to the court? Here is a person who has been charged when for an offence which took place in a meeting which was permitted in the last year.
On the foundation day.
meeting, my lord. Not in a meeting, my lord. This is a wrong impression. Wrong impression, my lord.
After the meeting was over, in the same place,
Advocate General did not give the opportunity of hearing, my lord. It's a false statement.
the
My lord,
false
sorry to-
statement, my lord,
sorry to say.
as fell from the court, go for quashing.
Sorry to say,
What
my
is
lord.
the other venue you are? So he says near
Well,
Victor. The prayer and the
Ramlila
reflection
Park?
is
It's,
No,
it's,
my lord, kindly turn,
it's
my
called,
lord,
my lord, Ramlila Park, my lord, which is, as per Google, my lord, 2.2 kilometer,
No,
2
no.
kilometers, 100
They're
meters.
Complete separate place, and in their format, they
Sir, one
specific.
second, sir.
Yes.
Your prayer C in the
Yes.
petition is
Yes.
to hold a peaceful meeting in front of Victoria House or at any other place near Victoria House.
Right.
Yes, my lord.
Ah.
Ramlila Maidan is not near the Victoria House. It's a completely separate place. Give me the RR Avenue. RR Avenue.
But RR Avenue, my lord, side, my lord,
Yes.
already SUCI with
No,
25,000
they not
people.
They give
My lord,
another
beside that,
place.
my lord,
Ramlila Maidan in Shialda, my lord.
no, it's
that
not.
too, only the ground consists of not more than 400 people can accommodate on that grounds, my lord. We know it very well.
But AG said in the morning that some indoor stadium you will give.
If they want, we can give any indoor stadium.
Indoor stadium you
Choose an indoor stadium.
My lord, kindly see, they have a specific format.
Otherwise, we will grant stay of the order. You file your affidavit in opposition and do it.
My lord,
You hold it on some other day.
my lord, foundation day. That is the foundation
All
day
right,
of the
maybe
party.
you.
Kindly.
In fact, in abroad, even birthdays are celebrated in the weekends.
We are not.
Birthdays, they don't apply for leave for the office. They don't say because my birthday, my child's birthday. Birthday is celebrated in the weekend, and we are the only country who don't work in 1st January.
My lord, in our state, my lord,
New Year is
every political party, they get opportunity. This political party will not
You-
get opportunity, my lord.
The convener of the political party is an accused in a case. He is on bail in respect of an incident relatable to a meeting held on the same foundation day last year.
My lord, is not relating to meeting, my lord, with deepest of respect, my lord. It is India state.
That is a criminal case, sir. That has to
My
be
lord, not
decided.
relating to the meeting, my lord.
You choose another venue, sir, please.
My
You
lord,
choose another venue. You don't stick on that. Foundation day is very important for a political party. You would have made all arrangements. If they are ready to give the indoor stadium, you please accept the indoor stadium.
my lord, kindly go through the para 7 of my exception. Para 7.
Yes.
May I read, my lord?
Please read, sir.
Exception. Exception to kota.
Got it, my lord?
Still pending, sir. That is the
Yes,
reason.
yes.
My lord, kindly,
That
kindly,
appears
kindly give a second, my lord. Suppose, my lord, against the ruling party's leader, my lord, there are several on that 21st July, it's happened, 13 people died. And the accusation against the present chief minister, that doesn't mean that she can't hold a rally on the 21st July. I just put in this way, my lord. So on 21st July, 13 people died. 13 people died. Now, if that logic applied, then 13,
My lord, that
21st
logic
July,
has not been applied. Kindly see the rejection order.
my lord, if
Why-
that
why
the
is my
court
learned
reasoning,
friend-
my lord, with deepest of respect, my lord, then 21st July, my lord, ought not to happen. My lord, my respectful submission is that nothing happened from the meeting.
My lord, page 45, kindly have a look. My lord, that
Due
was not
to,
the
my lord,
rejection.
taken up by the Trinamool Congress peoples to our peoples, my lord, that happened, my lord. That too after meeting. And it is a political clash between two group of workers, my lord.
Yes. My lord, our case is
If
that, my lord,
Justin must these only
Page 43,
Yes.
that's how it has been rejected.
43. This is non-paginated.
That is the third page. This is in the writ petition.
Yes.
You choose indoor stadium.
My lord,
Michael-
with deepest of respect, my lord, take my submission for 5 minutes, my lord. My lord, that place, my lord, Victoria House, my lord, is very popular for holding a rally by the ruling dispensation on 21st July in every year.
We have granted
My lord also,
that same place.
yes.
In another matter, we granted.
Yes. In another party, they also not give permission that by using the government power, they what they want, it amounts to, if my lord not allow us, it amounts to, my lord. Because of that, why I say so, but with deepest of respect, my lord, if this political party, because the opposition political party not hold the meeting, it amounts to giving to sanctify the ruling dispensation aspiration.
but
By
is it
using-
a point in this petition? my
Yes,
lord?
yes, in para 9 I specifically stated.
No,
In
you have
writ
said
petition-
it, but that is not
in
a
writ
ground of
petition-
rejection.
In writ petition, that's why our point is that, my lord, by using the government power ruling dispensation, somehow they want not to hold meeting in front of Victoria House. It is whole endeavor is that by using the government power,
I wish you also get stuck in the traffic jam for 6 hours when the meeting of your client is
that
held.
time 1,000 people.
You will then realize. Even the state has to realize it. They are also conducting rally.
That's why, my lord,
Innocent person in the ambulance
And-
wanting to go for treatment is stuck. He dies inside the ambulance. Then he will be held responsible.
my lord, that's why
What sort of
Sunday,
peaceful agitation, democracy,
that
etc.
to 1,000
sort of-
people.
Please
That
come. Please
that
come.
to 1,000
This
people.
intra-court appeal by the state is directed against the order dated 18/1/2024 in WPA 1196 of 2024, filed by the respondent, which is a registered political party. The respondent filed the writ petition praying for to set aside the order passed by the authorities rejecting grant of permission to hold a meeting in front of Victoria House. The said order dated 13/1/2024 records the following reasons. Please quote this order, sir. Page 43. Full stop. In the said writ petition, the respondent played for holding a meeting in front of Victoria House or at any other place near Victoria House on 21/1/2024, which is stated to be the foundation day of the respondent writ petitioner. The convener of the political party, who's said to have filed the writ petition, is an accused in a criminal case which has been registered in respect of offences committed during the foundation day. Offences committed on 21/10/2023 at Rani Rashmo Avenue, Kolkata, which is also the foundation day of the party. It is the submission of the learned advocate for the respondent writ petitioner that the incident happened much after the meeting, and the convener has been falsely dragged into the criminal proceedings. It is not in dispute that the convener is an accused in the criminal case, and he was in judicial custody for 40 days, and now he has been enlarged on bail. Given the fact situation that violence had erupted after or during the meeting, violence had erupted on 21/10/2023, being not in dispute, it is immaterial whether the violence occurred during the meeting or after the meeting. And as it is an admitted fact that violence had occurred, and certain policemen are also said to have been injured. Further, in the order of rejection dated 13/1/2024, the other three programs which are stated to be conducted in the vicinity have also been mentioned. Out of the three programs, one is the Kolkata Police Marathon, which is to be held in which 25,000 participants are to participate in the program. Undoubtedly, a marathon is more important than having these rallies and meetings. If 25,000 participants are expected to participate, it goes without saying that the participants will arrive at the venue much earlier, much before the marathon would begin. Therefore, we are of the view that the respondent writ petitioner has to choose a different venue instead of the venue, namely in front of Victoria House. The learned Advocate General on instruction submitted that the government is the government is willing to offer the indoor stadium for the
But
purpose
any
of
other indoor stadium, any other indoor stadium, because we do not know which are the. No, no.
an indoor stadium for conducting of the
Court
meeting.
application, yeah.
Since the prayer in the writ petition itself,
One instruction, Miller.
If-
I'm sorry.
since the prayer in the writ petition is to hold the meeting near Victoria House or in any other place, the respondent writ petitioner shall accept the venue which is selected by the government and conduct the meetings peacefully. The conditions imposed by the learned writ court regarding the number of participants, number of vehicles, including buses and other conditions, shall be complied with strictly. Further, we add that during the course of the meeting, the persons who address the gathering shall not utter any hate speech and shall not hurt the sentiments of the other people belonging to other religion or sect. In the event there is any violation of any of the conditions or observations made in this order, the four persons who have been whose names have to be furnished will be held personally responsible, and appropriate action will be taken against them. With the above observation, the appeal stands disposed.
My lord, two things, my lord. Because of that, my lord altered the order. Because of that, my lord, due to the place, we accommodate. Our prayers was for 5,000 people. So, my lord, allow that, number one. Number two is that, my lord, give the specific. Otherwise, my lord, they will not give us. Because, my lord, we are the...
Miller, I'll let your lordship's officers know, Miller. Because I'm talking about in Netaji Indoor Stadium, there's a children's program.
He's come, he's officer.
Abacus.
Before that is submitted, Advocate General.